Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for the change that has been given to us so that we can deliver our material. So before we jump to the material, I will explain or introduce a member of the sixth group. First, we have Mapagiling Abdi Utama, we have Andi Ansal Salsabila, we have Nur Aziza Fitrianti, we have me, Mufida Julia, we have Adelia Eka Agustina, and we have Andi Muhnafri Dwi Putra. So before we jump to the presentation, there will be two kind of major points that will be explained. First is we will explain about the speech style, and the secondly is we will explain about our research analysis, that is the use of speech style in voice note of Dr. Andes Abdul Halim M. Hum in English semantic class. So without any further ado, let's start these presentations by calling the first speaker. So yeah, speech style. Speech style, according to Martin Jus, a linguistic and German professor, it refers the form of language that the speaker utilize, which is characterized by the level of the formality. Still, according to Jus, speech style identified into 5 types. First is frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate. So let's jump to the 5 types of the speech style. First speaker is Andi Muhammad Nofri. Time is yours.
Frozen style. Frozen style, also known as a fixed speech, it is the highest form of communicative style which is often used in a respectful situation of or formal ceremonies like Shakespearean plays, weddings, funerals, and more. It uses the complex grammatical sentence structure and vocabulary that are only known by experts in that field. Thank you.
So let's jump to the second speaker, Nur Aziza Fitrianti. Time is yours.
I will explain about formal style. So this type use formal word and expression and is more seen in writing rather than speaking. So it also disallows use of ellipsis, contraction, and qualifying modal adverbials.
The third speaker, Mapagiling Abdi Utama. Time is yours.
So I will explain about consultative style. The third level of language, it is basically a plain speech science. The speaker uses the participation and feedback of the listener. The speaker will supply background information while again, the listener participates continuously.
So the fourth speaker, Andi Ansalna. Time is yours.
So, casual style, also known as informal style, it is usually used between friends or even insiders who have things to share. In this type, there is a free and easy participant of both speaker and listener.
And the last of the types of speech style, the fifth, Adelia Eka. Time is yours.
Okay, I will explain about intimate style. So the last type is used in talk between very close individual. It is described by an economy of words with a high chance of nonverbal communication. Like casual, there is also a very and easy participation of both speaker and listener. Okay, that's it.
So that's the type of the speech style. Let's jump to the next presentation, we are going to explain about example of extract of our research analysis, that is the use of speech style in voice note of Dr. Andes Abdul Halim M.Hum in English semantic class. So the first extract. Time is yours.
So I will explain about extract 1. So as you can see extract in this slide, so the extract shows that the lecturer opened class by getting all students in the class. The lecturer used the Islamic greeting, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So these utterances were of formal speech style because when the lecturer entered the classroom, the lecture started with greetings. The lecturers also expressed him that he meet again with the students, even through the online class by saying, "Nice to meet you, students," even through these online programs. And he then reminded us about last week's study by saying, "Our last meeting we discussed this condition of meaning or semantic meaning." So the above utterances were considered formal speech style, and it means that the lecturer reminded students in a formal situation. So that's all for me.
So I will explain about the second extract. As you can see, based on the second extract, Sir Halim tried to explain about the phrase and the meaning of the sentence to the students through voice note. In here, we can underline that the words that saying by Sir Halim is, jadi kita bisa menyimpulkan bahwa makna sebuah frasa atau makna kalimat itu, and etc. The speech style of this sentence is formal because it's formal situations, concluding something, and the word kita or means we refers to us, for the students, and the explanations that's coming from Sir Halim. Next slide. So the third extract, time is yours.
So I will explain about my extract. So I analyze what Sir Halim said. In this extract, Sir Halim said Oxford English Dictionary, Webster Dictionary itu bukan padanan kata. Karena kalau padanan kata itu artinya biasa bukan pada maknanya, bukan itu maknanya. Artinya mungkin banyak makna lain yang harus masuk di situ. Oleh sebab itu Webster Dictionary and Oxford. So the above extract show the lecture that the dictionary explain it in a non-specific manner. So we can underline Oxford English Dictionary, Webster Dictionary itu bukan padanan kata. Karena kalau padanan kata itu artinya biasa bukan pada maknanya, bukan itu maknanya. These utterance use a consultative speech style because the lecturer does not usually plan for what he want to say. That means the lecturer say a sentence with a spontaneous. Thank you.
So let's jump to the fourth extract. Time is yours.
So in extra 4, the lecturer trying to explain theory reference, and he interact with student by asking them, apa itu teori reference? It is the thing in the real world that refers to. So the utterance were considered formal speech style. It means that the teacher asks student in a formal situation. So that's all for me.
Next slide. The extra 5, time is yours.
So as you can see, The extracts show the lecturer explain about how Eskimo ethnic uses a lot of words to express no. These utterances were considered consultative speech style because the lecturers say it is spontaneous. The lecturer do not usually plan what he wants to say. Yeah.
The last extract, time is yours.
Thank you. So I will explain about extract 6. So this is Sir Halim said. You can see the example. The above extracts show the lecturer explain how a material with a dragon as an example. Where dragon don't exist, only the mental image in the human mind doesn't exist in reality. So di sini apalagi namanya dragon. Ya coba cari di mana dragon itu, di mana referensinya, tidak ada. These utterance were considered consultative speech style because the lecturer say with spontaneous, the lecturer does not usually plan what he wants to say. So that's it.
Maybe that's all from us. Thank you very much. We are very sorry if there is a mistaken or wrong pronunciation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hari-hari.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.